Consuming ginger can support your health and may also treat many health problems. Drinking ginger water is also a great way to stay hydrated. This is a fresh ginger root that we are looking at today. So the nutrients that are present include proteins 18%, calories 17%, carbohydrates 24%, and dietary fiber 50%. Then also the vitamins that are in this fresh ginger: vitamin E 90%, vitamin B6 42%, vitamin C 12%, and minerals include iron 64%. Grab your fresh ginger root. Make sure that it's clean. Make sure that you wash it first before you start cutting it into pieces. It's okay, you can leave the shell because you won't be taking the shell actually, so please kindly enjoy the process. Our next step is we are going to pound our ginger. As I'll be telling you about it, the antioxidant properties present can help us prevent symptoms of aging, cancer, and heart disease, but always first consult. In this process, we will need 1 full cup of water, then get your pounded ginger, place it into your saucepan, and then you're going to add in the other full cup of water and place it on medium heat until it boils for 10 minutes. For now, this is the state it is in. We've placed it onto our cooker for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how our ginger recipe looks like. The reason for boiling: because nutrients in ginger concentrate when heated. We are going to be adding in another ingredient in our nutritional concentrated ginger water because we want to add value on healthy benefits. We are going to add in 1 full spoon of raw honey, then we start mixing until it dissolves. Many of us don't drink enough water during the day, so always start your day with a glass of ginger water. This will help you stay hydrated. To people who take alcohol and those that smoke or experience chronic stress can make you produce too much of reactive oxygen species. It is sometimes called ROAs. Consuming ginger water can help prevent and fight the negative side effects of reactive oxygen species. This water will also help us facilitate digestion and cures diarrhea, prevent cancer, regulate sugar levels, and also boost bone health and relieve joint pains, provides you with a relief from menstrual cramps, enhances sexual activity. So kindly always consume it.